I'm going to share this charming hand-knitted green hat especially crafted for 3-month-old babies. This classic design combines simplicity with timeless style, making it an ideal choice for any little one. Why you will love this hat? Because it's a classic design. It is in traditional look, perfect for everyday wear or special occasion. It's soft because it's made from the soft yarn and knitted with care. This hat ensures maximum comfort for your baby delicate skin, and it's easy to make. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced knitter, this pattern is straightforward and enjoyable. The ripping and knit stitch create a beautiful texture, and the gentle decrease shape the hat perfectly. Firstly, you cast 56 stitches. You can use any form of cast on. From the first one to fifth rows, you are going to make a ripping. You are going to begin with a classic ripping to provide a snug fit. You are going to alternate between knit and purl stitch with knit 1, knit 2, and after that P1, P2, and repeat it to the end of the row. Here I have just with 2 knit 2 purl, and you repeat it to the end of the rows. I have just finished the rip with 5 rows to create the ripping. In case you prefer a longer rip, simply repeat this pattern for additional rows. From the 6 rows to the 13 rows, you will make the stockinette stitch. This is the 6th row. You begin with all knit stitch to the end of the row. For the 7th row, you are going to knit the purl stitch. Okay, you repeat to the end of the row. For the 8th row, you knit all stitch. And repeat the knit stitch to the end of the row. For the ninth row, you continue with purl stitch. And repeat the purl stitch to the end of the row. For the 10th row, you are going to continue with the knit stitch. And repeat to the end of the row. For the 11th row, every stitch is a purl 1, and you repeat it to the end of the row. For the 12th row, you're going to knit at every stitch. Yes, you repeat it until the end of the row. For the 13th row, you're going to knit a purl. The purl 1, purl 2, and repeat it to the end of the row. You can make the head longer if you wish, but make sure that you end on a purl row. For the row 14, you are going to decrease the stitch. It means that you are going to shape the top of the head with a simple decrease. You begin with knit 6 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you perform a knit 2 stick together. Two stitch together to decrease. and then you repeat this sequence until the end of the row.